and I'm one of your city council representatives if you're a registered voter here in BK.
All right. All right, next we have, all right.
Oh my god, look at that dog.
Love it.
Look at the T-Rex.
These silly doggies.
All right. Oh, being escorted by a witch. All right. Oh. Cross is one of our campers at Camp Bow Wow. All right, goes. A glittery fairy princess. Oh, look at her shine. A bright star. Lemon, Chant, and Strider as Yoda, Princess Leia, and Luke. All right, may the force be with you. May the bark be with you. Talia, the vampire. Here she comes. Bat dog. All right, we have Mocha, the bacon bit within Mom. That's the cutest bacon bit I've ever seen. We have Milo, the UPS delivery man.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, Hudson. You see he's carrying a little mailbox. That is so weird.
Buzzing on through.
Look at the bee, look at the bee, look at the bee.
All right. As a princess. All right. Thanks.
Look at the doggy parade.
Luigi, I have a prize for you. And I want to announce the winner of our entire children's category. Today's Ultimate Grand Supreme winner is going to go to Olivia as Snow White. And how much effort you guys put into that. That was fantastic. Our second place family winner.
Cutest went to Milo, the UPS delivery guy. And best owner pup goes to Crypto. Thank you to everyone who participated and happy Halloween.